This video is made for educational purposes and contains significant original text commentary.
Change shit, but I gotta do. I'm the type of smoke control. I don't have no problems with you. Trying to stick around without the door. What I gotta do. I said not me type of smoke control.
What the fuck are you doing?
Let's go. I don't have no problems with you. Trying to stick around without the door. I don't need no.
What are you doing? Come on, get out of the highway. Yo, come on. You can't stop here. You can't stop here. I didn't hit you. What are you doing? Jesus Christ.
Got it, Mr. Dash.
Before the unit, out the door and drag on the pavement. The medicops are taking it easy, cruising down the middle lane, not above issuing a speeding ticket here and there, as long as they're in their jurisdiction. Motorists around them drive slowly.
Holy
They're having to pull over and listen to half an hour of discourse.
Hello.
The medium ice case on chocolate mocha with light ice oat milk and no chocolate milk, and the medium ice 911 with light ice.
Yes.
Did you want some straws?
Yes, please.
There you go.
Oh! Oh! Gun. Yeah, lucky bubble can.
Small room. It's just the three of us in this room. And she starts reading this poem. We didn't know what to expect. She starts reading this. It's very intimate, very vulnerable about her being assaulted. Something really vulnerable, right? And emotional. Powerful, beautiful poem.
Jesus Christ.
Lost unless it's reported somehow. Oh, oh.
douchebags.
It's flavor.
Right.
The flavors are so good.
What the is going on? What are you doing?
What?
Oh my god.
Is that like? Are they allowed to do
I have no idea.
Woo-hoo! Oh my god, he drifted! Oh my gosh.
I mean, it's endless. It's absolutely endless. The other channel that has really been living for, especially is direct to the consumer,
God damn it,
Shopify, e-commerce. And so we, about a year ago, we started.
When up against a requester who employs the rule for reciprocation, you and I face a formidable foe. Whether by presenting us with an initial favor or initial concession, the requester will have enlisted a powerful... When up against a requester who employs the rule for reciprocation, you and I face a formidable foe. Whether by presenting us with an initial favor or initial concession, the requester will have enlisted a powerful ally in the campaign for our compliance. At first glance, our fortunes in such a situation would appear dismal. We could comply with the requester's